Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Yeah, on the ADA chart, it looks more and more as if this Elliott wave triangle is playing out. We're tracking here this Elliott wave triangle as a formation that started in December, January with the development of a 3-wave move up, in which I call an A wave of a 5-wave move. A triangle is a 5-wave move. Then the B wave down, also in 3 waves. Then we had a move up, which so far is also in 3 waves, and we could be working on a 3-wave move down. That's obviously to a degree predictive, yeah, and not confirmed yet. And if we then get a 3-wave move up, then we have 5 waves complete in a triangle, and a break to the downside would seem likely. It is a good way to fit all of these 3-wave structures into the chart because there are just too many of them, yeah. And especially the last wave down. I mean, of course, what is the alternative? The alternative would be to say, okay, we've already bottomed here and the bear market low was in on the 10th of June. I just don't have the strong evidence for that, I have to say. And the move down was only in 3 waves. So to really complete here, let's say a bear market cycle with a 3-wave move down is always difficult, yeah. I had a question about, okay, can a B wave actually overshoot to the downside here? Yes, just Google a pattern called running triangle. They can make a new price extreme in the B wave. That's absolutely okay. And I'm actually thinking maybe a few other coins produced a certain setup or wave formation as well. Now this would be confirmed for me if this triangle breaks. It's about to break. And if it breaks, then we have a certain target range for this so-called D wave in the triangle. And the D wave would typically reach the 38.2 extension to the 61.8 extension of the wave before. And here we talk about 28.8 cents and 23.16. And from a wave count point of view, I mean, that's actually easier to count than the bullish scenario. It's pretty straightforward because we could say, okay, we had maybe an A wave here. This was already a B wave, and we're now heading down in a C wave into the D wave low and support area. Yeah, and I think if we take the Fibonacci extensions just for the A wave and the B wave, then you can see the 1-to-1 ratio sends us directly into this support area at 25.2 cents. Certainly something to watch. There is also the bullish case, basically a direct breakout case, and I said I will continue to focus on that as long as we're holding the 30.5 cent level and as long as we're holding the trend line. But as you can see with yesterday's price drop, this is about to break to the downside. We are basically dancing on the support area, and I would not be surprised at all if it breaks, but we'll see. It's not broken at this stage. And also here, very similar development. It just rallied, okay. So yeah, as long as we're holding the 30.5 cent level, this can always go higher. This would be for me the make or break point, you could say, coupled with a break of the trend line to the downside, which should then send us lower into that support area that you can see on the other chart. So here, yeah, between the 38.2 extension and the 61.8 extension, a very boring chart, not much clarity, to be honest, very choppy, okay, and we can keep it very simple. I mean, we can say, yeah, as long as we're holding above that trend line, above that support level, the focus can be on higher. There is a wave count which would support it. It is not high likelihood, though. It's not high reliability. The thing is, we had a trade setup here. You see it in orange on the chart. It worked, and I can't really give you any more, let's call it, setups at the moment because there isn't any. There isn't anything that is reliable. We haven't got an impulse to the upside. I cannot measure it from anywhere. And if we don't have an impulse, for example, to the upside, I can't really give you a pullback trade. The only thing I can say is that a break above 30.5 or holding above 30.5 cents would be potentially bullish. I don't like the term bullish in this case because we haven't got the trend to support it at this stage, but at least we can give the upside a chance. But now as we speak, it tries to break it below it, but it's not, you know, it's just fighting around it. So we haven't got a sustained break. But to be honest, in all likelihood, if Bitcoin, Ethereum make one more low, which is currently expected, ADA will likely make a low below the trend line as well. So yeah, it sort of is interesting to see what's going to develop here. However, it's also a pain to analyze at the moment. It is, you know, as I said, I sound like a broken record at the moment. Hopefully still a good one though. But yeah, I can't really give you any more clarity at the moment, unfortunately. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.